ito na guys, ang ano natin view sa hotel natin galing sa balcony, sorry, nandito tayo sa balcony guys. So tingnan ninyo ang night view nila dito sa sa hotel na ano natin na room sa hotel natin. Di ba ang ganda? Tingnan ninyo guys. Hello guys, I'm so excited tomorrow kasi makita natin much better ang view tomorrow kaysa ngayong gabi. Kasi ngayon mga lights lang ang makikita natin. Bukas makikita natin ang dagat. Tingnan ninyo, malapit lang tayo sa dagat. So, yan ina-upgrade ni Habi ang room natin. So yan, ang ganda talaga guys. Ang simoy ng hangin galing sa dagat ba, yung sa ma-smell mo na ang dagat, maamoy mo na ang dagat. So yan, I'm so excited. So yan, mayroon silang swimming pool at saka hot tub, jacuzzi dito. Yan, wala nang mga tao kasi late na. At saka malamig na. So yan. Oh, di ba ang ganda? Ganda guys, oh. Ganda guys. Ayan na nga. Tonight hindi natin ma-appreciate ang view kasi lights lang, kagaya sa Las Vegas. Yan ang makikita natin na view. So yan, doon tayo nagpark guys, sa parking garage. Ang layo, 'di ba? Naglakad tayo masyadong malayo. Mayroon pa tayong luggage, kukunin pa natin 'yun. So ngayon, mayroon silang barcode diyan. Titingnan natin 'yan bukas kasi mayroon silang barcode diyan. So kasi dagat na 'yan diyan. So yan, bukas tingnan natin. 'Di ba? Ang ganda. So ngayon guys, mayroong upuan dito, di ba? So ngayon, pakita ko sa inyo sa loob, di ba? Yan ang sa loob sa room natin. Yan, ang ganda. King size ang kinuha ni Habi. So yan, mayroong upuan diyan, mayroong light. Di ba? Ang ganda. So, ang ganda ang bed. King size. Tingnan ninyo, ang TV ang masyadong malaki. Maganda ang nila. Mayroon silang work table dyan. So yan. So mayroon silang dito, water. Iwan ko kung complimentary lang yan or ba yan, magbayad ka. Iwan ko. So dito, dito? Wala ang laman. So magagamit mo yan. Hindi namin gagamitin yan. Kasi, ito, refrigerator, magamit mo yan pag mayroon ka tubig or mayroon kang juice, lagay mo dyan. Pero, iwan ko, hindi na kami magamit yan kasi, limited lang ang time natin dito. So, yan, mayroon pa dito, upuan ba yan? Yan si Habi, excited. So, yan. At saka, tada! Ang bathroom natin dito, guys. Tingnan ninyo. Malaki ang nila, no? Ang bathroom nila. Ang ganda ang bathroom nila. Ganda ang bathroom. So, yan. So, yan, guys. Malaki. Mayroong towel. So, yan. Ang shower nila. At saka ang toilet nila nandyan. Napakalinis. In fairness. Diba? Ang ganda. Diyan. Ang toilet nila. And then, ito ang shower nila. Malaki ang shower nila. Ang ganda. Diba? And then, mayroon pa silang cabinet dito. So, tour na tayo dito lahat. Okay? So, mayroon dito. Kung gusto ka mag-iron, mayroon. Hello guys. Good morning. Tingnan ninyo guys. Ang view, Ang ganda. So, now, Habi and I were going for breakfast. So, let's go. Punta tayo sa breakfast. Good morning, Daddy.
Morning.
So it's very nice here, guys. This is the buffet for breakfast. So we are going for the buffet. I'm going to look at the food first. So hubby's there. So I'm gonna check my food. So they do have croissant here at saka donut. They do have donut. And they have croissant, they have fruits bar here. So if you like the fruits, you can have a fruits. So yeah. And they do have here, fruits, same thing. And if you want toast, they do have toast here. So yeah, and they have sausage over here. That one sausage. And her breakfast. I think this one, guys, is potatoes with the seasoning. Sausage and bacon. And that one is egg. So yeah, it's very good. What happened?
They don't have fake eggs.
Okay. So they have some more over here. And what is this? It's open. I don't know what is that name. This is heavy breakfast. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, look at that, guys. It's very yummy. They have oatmeal here, hon. Oatmeal. So nice. It's very nice. They have asparagus. And that's the one we did not see earlier. And let's go look over there because we did not see that one earlier. This one, this one, and sausage is so yummy, bacon and egg. There you go, and you can make a fresh toast here. Look, there you go. I'm gonna sarap. Let's go over here. They don't have cereal here. Cereal bar. Very good. Very good. Turkey. Very good. That's a raw fish, guys. That one is a raw fish. Sarap yung kinilaw sa atin. Diba? Yan pa, kung gusto ka parang snack lang, yan. Sarap. Diba? Salad na doon sa sa kabila, guys. Hindi na tayo pupunta doon. So yan lang, guys. Ang nila, breakfast. Mayroong egg doon. So yan. Yan ang mapakita ko sa inyo. Thank you. So si Habi nakakuha na siya ng food niya. Do you like did you get your yeah. So Habi got his food. Look. And I'm going for mine. Go eat now. This one. This it, guys. Kain tayo ng breakfast. Sarap ang breakfast nila dito, guys, kasi merong fruits at saka fresh fruits. But the problem, I don't know how to eat this one. Because I don't eat this kind of fruits very often. So, yeah. So, but this time I will try it. Sorry, I almost dropped it in the floor. Yeah. Let's eat. Let's try. Hopefully it's good.
I guess it's not good.
Sour? Sour. And then for the shirt, Daddy. Hello guys. My mic is on. Hello everyone! Nandito tayo sa Gaylord Hotel guys. So, ito ang front nila. So, yan. Look. Ito ang front. So, punta tayo doon sa may water kasi ano doon. Maganda doon. So, if you wanna hang out over there. For the short bed, stand there, Han. Hi, Daddy. Good morning, Han. Welcome to San Diego. Very nice. So yan guys, ang front desk nila. Pag mag-check-in ka dyan ka pupunta. Yan. So, kagagaling lang natin sa breakfast. So, yan. Kung gusto kayo mag-hang out, dyan kayo mag-unwind. Dyan. So, as we can see, right now is, it's quite a lot of people because there's no convention. And also, it's supposed to be busy this time because Las Vegas is so busy this time because especially it's Saturday, but here it's quiet guys. It's not a lot of people. So yeah, so let's go to our hotel room and then we're gonna be out. We're gonna go to the Mission Bay, so boardwalk. So let's go everyone. Yan. Yan ang view. Daming swimming pool. Pag summer, maganda dito guys. Maraming mga boat Yan. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng view. Kaya lang kanina umaga hindi natin nakita ang sunrise kasi cloudy kanina umaga. Ngayon maganda na ang sun. Nag-ano na siya. Nag-ano na ang sun. So, yan. Si Habi nakaupo lang dyan. So, ito ang balcony sa room natin, guys. So, maganda naman siya. Yan, mayroong nangaglaro doon o mga bata. Mayroong activities today sa mga bata. Diba? Yan. Okay, punta tayo sa ano guys, sa island. Okay? So, ayan.